That one did not go that easy. It's fighting me a little bit. Okay, I turned the crank over a turn so you can see there's oil all the way around now. So make sure there's no oil here dripping all over your gasket surface. So we put this on, we're going to sleeve it down, and I'll rotate the crank to bring it around. Okay, this one here we're going to do it the same way as the other one. So it'll be on the front hole. Okay. He's going to want to lay over anyway, so let it lay over. Okay, same deal. Wrist pins flush. Stick it in there. Layer in there. Wiggle around until you find a sweet spot. Push it in. Cylinder will hang wherever it wants to hang. Put their towel over the darn case here. These clips are stainless steel. They don't come out with magnets, so don't attempt to. Okay, I'm going to put that one in there like that. Clips are way stiffer than the old ones. Like I said, these are a pain in the butt to do these ones. Let's see here, I'm going to do this one. That was a double clip, I don't know if you heard it. Okay, it spun a little bit. It's like putting a tire in, start here and work your way around. It's kept pushing, pushing, pushing. It's tighter than hell. So these clips are 16 thick where the old clips were only 50, so they're a lot stiffer. Okay, they're in there. Nice and tight, like it should be. My thumb doesn't like that pressure. See how much pressure I'm pushing on that thing? Still got an indent mark in it. Okay. A little bit of oil on the skirt. Started. I'm pushing this way to make it go down evenly. Down. I shoved this against my body here so it wouldn't rotate. Cylinder's down like that, first shot, boom, stuck. Done. So once that gasket sticks, it's stuck. Took so long to do the other cylinder. Everything's kind of dried already. So. It is what it is. Double check to make sure the front's on the front. It is. You can actually install the front and rear in the same opposite each other because they're the same bolt pattern. Knuckleheads are symmetrical. You put the head on any direction you want, this side, that side, front, back, it all fits. It's the only Harley motor you can do that on. Okay. Rotate it through and make sure it rotates. Spins around just fine. Breaking the rings in right now. So you can see how much excess oil we had, not too much extra, see? Wipe off the excess. A bit more in the back, not much. Those scrapes in there where we're checking the rings, that's what that's from. See scrapes here from the rings going up and down. High spots on the rings. You can see the cylinder finish we're using. Double check your pistons, make sure the front's in the front. Back one's in the back. Looks like it's all good. They rotate over pretty good, so I'm happy with that. So I'm going to go ahead and torque our cylinders down. My torque wrench right here. This one's been trimmed down to fit. Hammer tight. So I do the inside-outside deal. Okay, first go around, back around, do it again. The harder you hit, the tighter it is. That's a pretty hard hit. They're torqued. They're 35, 40 foot-pounds, I bet, at least. No pussy Evo torque on these motors. After you run this through a few heat cycles, you do this again. Torque them down some more again. I think I'm hurting my wrench. I've been beating on this wrench for 40 years. Still works. It's an SK, a real wrench. Not that new crap they make in China either. Okay. Now I gotta make sure it turns over still. Remember, we're turning over backwards to keep the oil in the crank. Good. Equalize your top dead centers. Looks good. Alright, I'm happy. Overall looks pretty good. So we got a distributor that goes in there that we don't have time to manipulate too much. I'm going to put the ignition in here. Probably tomorrow I'll do that. But anyway, this goes in here. I don't have to bolt to hold it in though, but we'll drop it in there and ship it with it like this. So I'll go show you how to roughly time this thing tomorrow. It's getting late, it's almost midnight. Looks like our line fitting's leak. I'm going to pull this off and retape it. We're pumping the oil through. I need to get the adapter in here so I can put the extension, so I can put the switch in here or block that. And we have to order some lifters because they're bad. Pussing glue up. What's up with that? That's all the oil I've been pumping out of the motor backwards. Boom. How's our leak coming? What leak? Yeah. I think I just dripped oil in that pump because there's no leakage. See, it's dry. No oil. The only oil's right where the tape was. Okay, got that cleaned off. Put a little brake clean on that. Putting some more tape on it. We should be sealed up. Alright, looking pretty good. Got the crate over here to put it in. I'll get the distributor done first in the morning. Alright, that's it for tonight on this one. We'll come back tomorrow and finish it up.